new records in creating employment for Indians with the addition of 2.6 lakh jobs across all our businesses during the year. The total number of our on-roll employees is nearly 3.9 lakhs. The number of indirect livelihood opportunities we have created is many times larger. In a sense, Reliance maintained its leading position in terms of revenues, profits, exports, market value, capital expenditure, employment generation, contribution to the exchequer, as well as social responsibility, spending, and impact. Dear shareholders, let me now present to you the performance of each of our businesses. I shall start with Jio, our digital services business. We have witnessed another year of outstanding growth, posting an all-time high revenue of rupees 1,19,791 crores and an EBITDA of rupees 50,286 crores. Jio's overall customer base has now crossed the milestone of 450 million subscribers, reflecting a year-on-year revenue growth of over 20%. Per user data consumption on Jio's network also has surged, with the average user now consuming over 25 GB every month. This translates to a monthly data traffic of 1,100 crore GBs, representing a 45% year-on-year growth. My congratulations to the entire Jio team for this exceptional achievement. Dear friends, Jio was launched 7 years ago with an ambitious mission to transform India into a premier digital society, where technology would bring positive change in every sphere of our lives and in every sector of the nation's economy. It has been our great privilege to contribute to this revolution, and we have invested our heart and soul into building a digital public infrastructure the entire world is beginning to admire. Jio has indeed been the main catalyst of New India's spectacular digital transformation. Now our ambitions are even higher, and they go beyond the shores of India, as I shall explain. Let's first discuss Jio's True 5G, our pioneering 5G broadband offering. We began our 5G rollout last October. In just 9 months, Jio 5G is already present in over 96% of the census towns of our country, and we are on track to cover the entire country by December of this year. This makes Jio 5G the fastest ever 5G rollout of this scale anywhere in the world. Today, nearly 85% of the total 5G cells operational in India are in Jio's network. At our current pace, we are adding one 5G cell to our network every 10 seconds, and we will have nearly 1 million 5G cells operational in our network by December. With this massive reach and capacity, here is our promise. We know that every home, small and medium businesses, factories, schools, colleges, and hospitals across India would like to have 5G. From December of this year, we will be able to promptly fulfill each and every demand for Jio 5G broadband connection across the country. Last year, I highlighted several advantages that differentiate Jio 5G from other operators, including our comprehensive spectrum, our standalone 5G architecture, and carrier aggregation. Recently, we used our own 5G stack to become the first operator in the world to launch commercial services on millimeter wave spectrum using standalone 5G. This high capacity, low latency layer will significantly enhance private 5G, home broadband, and enterprise use cases. We have also built our own low power small cells to go deeper into specific pockets of high consumption like tourist spots and temples in a highly energy efficient manner. These advantages, along with a massive scale of deployment, means that the best 5G coverage, capacity and experience is possible only with Jio 5G. Friends, with over 50 million 5G customers, we are already leading in 5G adoption in India. And we are the only company with the capacity to smoothly transition our entire 4G customer base to 5G with minimum additional capital expenditure. With the growing adoption of Jio 5G, we are also seeing an increasing trend of high ARPU post-paid customers choosing Jio as their preferred network. And Jio is the operator of choice for mobile users. Our net port-ins via mobile number portability was 5 times than that of our nearest competitor. We truly appreciate the confidence placed in us by our customers. We are inspired by their trust to reach a new gold standard of excellence in customer service by leveraging AI and cutting-edge CRM tools. Friends, Jio is also the only company that offers its 5G customers the complete ecosystem of connectivity, devices, support services, and value-added services. Through Reliance Retail, we have the most expansive sales and support network for 5G devices and services across India. And we have plugged all leading 5G smartphone OEMs into this network to ensure nationwide availability and adoption of the widest range of 5G devices. Taken together, this comprehensive ecosystem makes Jio the prime mover and the undisputed leader in India's 5G revolution. Friends, there is one important aspect of the Jio journey that I'm especially proud of, and that is how we have transformed ourselves from a mere implementer to original creators of cutting-edge new technologies. When we launched our 4G services in 2016, we relied on global partners for equipment. Today, our 5G rollout is powered by Jio's own 100% in-house developed 5G stack, which aligns perfectly with our Prime Minister's Atmanirbhar vision. It features advanced technologies like standalone 5G architecture, carrier aggregation, and network slicing with advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities that optimize our vast network for unparalleled quality, reliability, and user experience. And it is designed to seamlessly integrate with the 4G and the 5G equipment from other global vendors. Jio's own portfolio of 5G radios range from small cells to large tower-based radios addressing the entire spectrum of outdoor and indoor usage scenarios. And our focus on continuous innovation has positioned us to be among the first globally to develop 6G capabilities. In fact, we have become one of the largest filers of global patents from India for digital technologies, affirming our transformation from a telecom operator to a technology company. Therefore, in the coming years, I can see Jio leveraging our Made in India tech stack to drive value creation and revenue growth both at home and abroad. Dear